Hi guys, this door lock did not work. If you, for example, want to open the door with using a key, the key does not turn on. The lock of the door as if jammed. What while I have done? First of all, you need to remove these two pins. After, remove this cover. To remove this, you need the key can be in this position, or place in there can fly out. After that, we clean everything and everywhere with using a brush. We clean it in a solvent, in there, and we have a plate in there. All this plate we need clean with using a needle. The plate in there must move easily. After that, assemble our construction in place. Then remove the key. That's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and put like.